Hello everyone! I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. The first thing I do, I go to the bathroom and take ablution for Subuh prayer. And then I have a breakfast and drink a cup of coffee. At 7:30, I leave my house. My journey to the office about 45 minutes. At 12:30, I have a lunch break and drink a cup of coffee. In the evening, I go to the gym at around 6 p.m. I like to exercise and stay healthy. And then after that, I have a dinner with my family and I relax by watching television or reading book. Finally, I go to bed and fall asleep. Thank you very much. Bye bye.